Hi everyone, welcome! Again, it's Alley Cat Castle with Skittles. And today we will be talking about taking chances. When was the last time that you took a chance? So, let me show you today how I took a chance in applying this bright turquoise eyeshadow. And let's begin! I hope you enjoy it! I and Skittles love you! The Rimmel Magnif'Eyes Reloaded Edition, starting with the Lauder Mercier Eye Basics Primer in Wheat. Again, just apply this gently all over your eyelids. Just like your face, you apply a moisturizer or a primer first before you put on your makeup. Then you do the other side, because if you don't, then nobody else will. And that's the will, just kidding. And then we proceed with the last color with Morphe Brush M441. You want to start right on the side of the eyelids. You want to make sure that you take your time there because you want that to be the darkest part of the transition color, and then you go towards the crease, towards the nose line. And don't forget, you also want to wing it out towards the end of your brows because this will give you a lift. And now we proceed with the blue eyeshadow with the MAC Brush 242. Now, once you do this, you want to press it onto the eyelids because that's the only way for you to get the intensity of the shadow is for you to press it. When it comes to an eyelid color, it's better to press it because you're sealing it onto the skin versus swirling or blending. Blending is for more transition, pressing is more for the eyelids. And as you can see, I'm really securing it right on my eyelids. And the lesson here is press until you get the intensity. Then moving along with the second color with Morphe Brush M441, which is a sheer lighter color than the last one to give a gradiating effect. So there's a smoother transition because nobody wants a harsh transition. Yes, nobody. And now, we apply the second to the last color on the inner socket of our eyelids using a ring finger because it has the least pressure to give a little twinkle, a little bling. And who doesn't want to twinkle and to bling? And by doing this, we will all be twinkling and blinging. Then, we go back to using the blue eyeshadow with MAC Brush 242, just so we bring back how solid the lid color is, because we don't want to compromise the lid color. And now it's eyeliner time with MAC Pro Longwear Fluidline and Blacktrack with MAC 263 Small Angle Brush, starting a line that's a little lifted on the outer corner and then going thinner towards the inner lash line. Then connecting the ends to create the wing and then filling in the rest of the gaps. This will make the eyeliner really crispy. Crispy! And it's cleaning time with the Clinique's Take the Day Off Makeup Remover using a Q-tip. Just make sure to shake it first before you use it. Then you sweep it right on the sides to take off the excess from the end of the lash line towards the end of the brows. And of course, you do the left and you also do the right. And now, it's time to seal what we just cleaned up with the Estée Lauder Custom Coverage Correcting Duo in Peach with Trish McEvoy Cream Blender Brush. After doing this, you just sealed the deal with the eyes that are lifted and the wing liner reimagined. And now, I'm lining our inner bottom waterline with a NARS eyeliner pencil in Mambo. Again, the trick here is to create little dashes and connecting them to create a straight looking line. And who doesn't want a straight looking line? And of course, we just do it on the other side as well. And finally, smoking out the lower lash line with MAC 214 Short Shader Brush with a combination of the last color, which is matte, and the seventh color, which has a touch of shimmer. Because why not? It's a perfect combination. and then you just do that slowly towards the outside to the inner corner, and look how amazing that is. Then we use the second to the last color with Morphe Brush 152 and add on a little shimmer on the inner lash line to complete the look. Just make sure that you blend that inner lash line towards the first shimmer that we created on the inner socket of the eye. And here's the final look after I apply the mascara and the false eyelashes. What do you think? And if I may say, life is beautiful because of you. And we all deserve a place in this world. I love you!
And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button as well as the subscribe and the bell button so we can be together every weekend. And if you could please kindly share this to anyone who perhaps could enjoy it as well. I would so appreciate your generous heart. And I know it's makeup, but I want you to know that all of us are equally beautiful with or without makeup. Until next week, again, this is Ali Cat Castle with Skittles, and we love you!